All right, folks, today we're going to be looking at the A214 HW by Rockwood. Now this one is different than some of the other ones because it has a 150-pound storage compartment right up front here. It also has a domer. I'll show you that when we go inside. But it also comes with the power tongue jack, and you get your full LP just like a regular trailer. Nothing specific about it. There is a button to extend that domer up and down. It's real easy to set up. But the cool thing about this trailer, if you come over here, that it has its own little restroom. So if they're having a private restroom is an issue with one of these small fold-down trailers, this one is the answer. As you can see, it's a high wall, so the sinks and everything are going to be a little bit higher than the other Rockwoods. You do get your 2 burners on this one, and you do get a nice, you got your sink here, okay? And you do get a little bigger fridge than some of the other ones, okay? And you do have storage under there. You also get your barbecue grill that hooks outside. Call me about that if you have any questions. And you have your dinette right here, which is also doubles as a bed. Then you have your AC, and you have your microwave right here, and of course you have your storage right under the bed here. Okay, you have speakers there. You have a nice little window. Just like all the other ones, this one's easy to set up and break down. If you're concerned about that, you just pop that, pop this one, pull it right down, and make sure everything is flush, and it folds easily, just like that. You put this back together. Also comes with a fantastic fan. Oh, and right here, you got your thermostat, and you also have your Furion Bluetooth stereo that can read Bluetooth. You can charge your phone or play your music off your phone. So my name is Anthony. This is another cool high wall premium trailer by Rockwood. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call personally. I can answer any questions for you. My name is Anthony Fuller. My number is 541-653-2818. Thank you.